I was born as a male, but I never felt that way. My name is Brendissyma, and I work at Sephora as a Sephora collection ambassador. I was born in Lima, Peru, but I grew up in the south of the country. Since I remember on my early years, I always identified and connected more with girls, to play with dolls, to do the hair. So everybody in my family saw that and knew that I was different. The small town that I grew up, it was very conservative. Kids will call me horrible names. They will just beat me for no reason. And even from officials, policemen trying to harass me sexually. So most of my teenage years, I was inside the house because that was the only way I felt safe. My family started to get mad at me, telling me, you need to change. They decided to take me to the psychiatrist twice a month for 4 years for me to be able to become normal. I know they did that because they didn't want me to suffer. But being in Peru with my family, I was more focused on making them happy and kind of suppressing myself. That's why I decided to move to the United States. It was not an easy road. I was very scared. I was very lonely. I remember when I went to my mom's house to say bye. And when she saw me walking away from the house, she started to cry and scream to me, please don't go, please don't go. And it's been 27 years of that last time that I saw my mother. Even though my family was my biggest love, I decided to move because I knew I was able to be myself and become Brendissyma. I always knew who I was, and I wanted to look and live as a woman. When I decided to transition, I was exploring with makeup all the time. Sephora is a place that I feel safe. I feel accepted. I feel that I belong as Brendissyma. Brendissyma is a proud 52 years old Peruvian. Part of my heart is in Peru, and part of my heart miss my family so much. Mami, ¿cómo estás, mamita? I always try to be connected. I call her every Sunday, and even though sometimes when I am all made up, wearing my makeup, she's very conservative. She tells me like, what is going on with you? Why you're having that much of makeup? Are you a clown or what? And she just made me laugh. I know that there are other individuals out there that are struggling, become themselves. I know you are so scared. You feel so lonely. You feel that this world wants to just make you disappear. But we need to be brave. We need to keep going and never give up. The day of happiness will come, and you're gonna feel fully who you are.